Okay, so today what are we going to do?
I'm going to do a science experiment that will make bubbles go down.
Bubbles going down? Okay, what do you need?
You need a cup of oil, water, ink or food coloring, and all color gel.
Okay, so what's the first step?
So first, you get the water and pour it into the oil.
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. And then what else?
You put the food coloring in.
Okay. Do it. Slowly. Let's drop like 5 drops or 10 drops. Let's do a little more. Okay, that should be good enough. And the last step.
The last step. This, you put it into the oil.
What is that?
Alka-Seltzer.
Bubble is going up. What's going on? They're supposed to go down, right?
Yeah. Now they're coming down.
Oh. They're coming down.
Wow.
That ink is not mixing very well. Take some time.
Look at those big drops.
Now it's mixed. It's darker now and easy to see.
The bubbles get sucked into that thing that brings the bubbles up, and then it becomes another bubble.
I see.
When
So the gas bubble from Alka-Seltzer is carbon dioxide.
it is.
And the things coming down are just water bubbles.
What?
They are water, they are not gas. You want one more?
Yeah. That's. Why don't we add more?
And let's put a little more water.
More ink?
No, this should be fine. Dunk.
It's starting again. More bubbles. I think you might need more ink.
Why? You can see it well.
This is awesome.
Ink just make it easy to see which part is coming down and up.
I wonder what happens if you put 2 in a time.
That may make too much gas and hard to see what's going up and going down.
Isn't mixed up yet?
It's all mixed up.
Okay, this is getting awesome.
It looks like a tornado sucking up the red water.
And bubbles sometimes.
Yep.
Now the sucking thing is there.
Okay.
It
that was
ended.
fun. Good job. Was it fun?
Yes.